Alright, so we got this Kia Forte Coupe in front of me with the new cute little Kia logo and whatnot. So this guy here contacted one of my guys and we set him up to get a push button start in this car right here. Now he wanted a red button and the car blue. Well, it got red in it, so I guess that makes a little sense. I don't want one with blue, but hey, gotta give them what they want. So he had a double input in, that wasn't done by us. Now this, however, that was. Alright. Just like all the other cars, off. Alright. And you see the cylinder is out. I'm gonna cap that off here in a little bit. Put my foot on the brake, of course. Alright. It also has a viper alarm on it, which I didn't put on there, but you know, it does work with the viper alarm. A lot of people ask, well, how do you if somebody get in the car and burn off, then it's gonna be your fault. No, because let me show you. I'm gonna arm it. Alright. But I put my foot on the brake, try to start it. Doesn't nothing. Alright. So there you go. That explains to a lot of people how do you integrate the alarm with the push button start. There it is. Don't worry about that. I'm finna cap that off. Shit did for the video, but hey, whatever. So there it is. Kia Forte Coupe. This one I believe is a 2014, but it can be done on whenever you just started making these. I gotta look it up to whenever they start making it, or when they change the body style on it. So that being said, push button start Kia Forte Coupe, auto repression, Ltd.